I have a call with a potential client this evening.
In this life it's more than just a search for gold. When I was 20 I lost plenty, but for that I gained my...
It's officially day 32 since I started my new side hustle called Creatorfast. If you're new here, I'm Cedric, I'm an embedded software engineer in Belgium. And on this channel I share my journey of growing a web development agency on the side. The past month I mostly was trying to figure out what am I doing here. What's the service that I want to provide, which is web development, and how would I go about doing that. Looking into how do you build websites, which tools do I need, and getting familiar with those tools. I have bought some LED lights for this office. This is the office that we have at home. It's very small, 2 or 3 meters wide, 5 meters long. The lighting situation here is awful. It's this one lamp here. I went to the store, to the Action for all my Belgian people. I'm really happy with how it looks right now. It looks much more aesthetic. I should have done it way sooner. It's like 5 minutes to the newest Action, but I procrastinated. I'm currently building out the site for my agency using Framer. I just took a template and now I'm tweaking some stuff. I'm tweaking the copy, the colors, to make it fit what I want. The thing that I'm worried about is actually the pricing, because Framer's pricing is kinda sapik. And I found out that there's another platform called Card, and there you can get a lot of features for like $20 per year, and Framer is like $20 per month. So maybe it's also a platform where you can build websites, but this is just one-pagers. I'm done for today. I'm now going to eat and then watch some anime. I recently started with an anime called Rising Impact. It's an anime about golf. It's funny because you can have animes about anything. Any sport that you want, they will make an anime about it. And they'll make it super hype. Alright, now I'm preparing myself to go to work. Waking up is not for me. It may look like I'm organized and disciplined. On certain aspects I can be, but waking up on time is probably the most difficult thing for me, especially since the winter season has started. My energy levels are dropping, making it much more difficult to wake up in the morning. But hey, we deal with it, it's life. Today I have a very important day. I have a call with a potential client this evening. It's cold! It's very cold. Some really great news. Last video has led to some small businesses contacting me for a website, and which is amazing. I never thought that it would have that effect. And I have a call with one of those people that contacted me this evening to discuss how I can help them with their website. If I can help them and if we align, that would be amazing, because that would mean that would be my first official project, and it came much sooner than I expected. You see the power of marketing, because inadvertently this is in a way marketing the agency itself.
Says it could only hope, but he wondered, what would I think of the chessman who took such a hand in politics?
In 40 minutes I have a call, but before that I think I'm going to take a nap. Snelle jelle power nap to get refreshed, because now my brain is all shambles.
Yo!
Hey, kan je me? Nee, nog niet, kan je wel horen. Oké, kan je zien. Ja, tof. I just finished my call, and the call was really nice. Actually just a normal chat. It didn't feel like a call with a client or a sales call. To put it more concretely, we went over his expectations for where he's at with the project right now, who his target audience is. What I offered to him was to do the design, development and copywriting of his landing page for his AI SaaS. I will do it for hundreds of euros. Most important for me is to get experience and get some good reviews. My first official project. Amazing. It's really crazy. Yeah. I'm gonna do a quick home workout before taking lunch. Just in half an hour to some leg exercises because often I have issues with my knees, and for that Kine recommended to me that I should do a lot of leg workouts and glute especially. Apparently the glutes are like one of the most important muscles for your legs.
The perimeter protecting the gate from the Colossus inside the city. The men fought bravely. Backs to the gate. Only saves its power keeping the portal from flying open. And
While I was working on the proposal for my new client, I realized something very important that might change the course of my business. I'm thinking of switching up the business. The idea that I had was to deliver websites for creators. Now I'm thinking of switching it up to video editing, to deliver video editing services to content creators. It's because I had an epiphany. So yesterday I was sitting down. I had an epiphany. I saw the light. Why did I decide to do web design? I have pretty much little background in web design, while with video editing I already have years of experience, actually just video editing, because I edited my own videos, some other videos as well on the side. Wouldn't it make more sense to create a business around something that I know that I am very good at? I'm also wondering if I'm not just shying away from a challenge. I will still have to deal with the issues of like starting a business, finding clients, but I wouldn't have to think about learning the skill itself. Nah, should I just do the switch? I'm really contemplating just canceling the project. Even though I feel bad to cancel the web design project. I'm like, I don't want to waste time doing something that I don't feel is right. You know, if I decided on something, just switch.